What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Rajni, but you are not visible.
No problem. Sometime what happen na, when I will download this video na, then I will be visible in that video.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah, it happened with me. Yesterday I took a session, so I was
Okay,
not visible to him. But when I recorded the video, so at that time I was visible.
okay, it's okay. Don't worry.
Yeah. So as we are meeting for the first time, so would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, actually, my name is Rajni, and I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am also a YouTuber. I have completed MCom. So that's it about me.
Oh, that's really nice. Actually, I'm also from Himachal.
Okay, nice. Where you belong? Which city, which
District
state?
District Hamirpur.
Okay, district Hamirpur. I belong to Kangra, nearby Pathankot.
Okay. That's really great. Okay, so my name is Shilpa.
Okay,
I'm a homemaker as well as an online tutor. Sometimes when I get free time, I teach online. I teach science and bio.
okay,
Apart from this, I have completed masters in biotechnology and I have also done B.Ed. And
okay,
nowadays, I'm running my YouTube channel to learn
okay,
English. This is
okay,
all about me, and I'm married. I have one kid. Yeah, I have
okay,
one daughter. That's all
okay,
about me.
okay, nice.
It's
So,
really nice to talking with you because for the very first time I'm talking to someone who is from Himachal.
okay, okay. So, ma'am, can you ask the question?
Yes, sure. When did you start your journey of learning this language?
Actually, speaking English was my childhood. Because speaking English was my passion since school days. So that time I couldn't learn English because of some reason. So after getting married, I started learning English.
That's really great. And
Yes.
what is your channel's name? YouTube channel name?
Yeah, my channel name is English with Rajni Devi.
Okay. I'm going to subscribe you. Okay.
Okay, nice. So please, can you tell me about your channel's name?
Learn with Shilpa.
Okay, learn
Learn
with.
with Shilpa.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. I will also subscribe your channel.
Thank you very much. Okay, Rajni, moving ahead with this conversation, I would like to ask you that what problems are you facing when in your journey of learning this language?
Okay, actually, when I started learning English, so that times I asked every person, please help me for improving English, but nobody helped me. I think I can't claim to other person because this is my journey. So I have to handle to itself. So then I started learning to yourself, and then I started watching the video, and then I started using the some application with whom I have practice.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, so that's how I started speaking.
okay. And how long have you been learning this language?
I think I have been learning English for 3 and 4 years. Yes.
Oh, that's really great. Actually, I think you also studied in Hindi medium school.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly. I
Yeah,
have
same
completed
here.
in Hindi
Yeah,
medium.
same here. I also studied in Hindi medium school, and after 10th class, I took medical, and in medical, my medium was totally changed from Hindi
Okay.
to English. And at
Okay.
that time, I faced many problems because suddenly your medium is changed. You have studied all the things in Hindi, and now you have to study in English. So it was a really challenging time for me. Uh,
Okay.
then I somehow manage all the things, but I was weak in speaking part. You know, in Himachal, in schools, even in private schools, no one speak in English with students, and we did not have that kind of environment at our home. So I was weak in speaking part. So from last 1 year, I started learning this language. So
Okay. Okay.
I also researched on YouTube, started listening videos and English videos, and
Okay.
started speaking like this. So
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
also learning this language, but still facing many problems.
Yes, actually, all the learner have a problem initially days when they started learning English. As well, I think maximum problems comes related to rural area.
Yes.
Yes, rural area. Actually, when I started English, so that times I speak. I wanted to speak with other person, but because of some reason and because of hesitation, I didn't start speaking with other person. So
I can
yes,
understand. I can understand you. When I started my journey, I was also very hesitant to speak because I don't know what to speak and how to speak. But
yes,
when I started talking, then I realized that I can speak.
yes,
But still we because it is not our native language, and we
yes,
are not comfortable. Sometimes I
yes,
also don't feel comfortable in English. But if you really want to learn this language, then you have to come out from your comfort zone,
yes,
right? You have to come out.
yes.
Then
No,
you can learn this language.
yeah, initially days when you start, so that times I think this times I am making the wrong, and definitely people make the fun about us. So I think
Yes, these things
because
happen.
of this reason I couldn't speak English.
Okay, okay. So, do you have any kids?
No, actually I don't have any kid yet.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
Okay, that's why you are free. You are taking session at this time.
yeah, I am totally free.
Actually, I live in a joint family, and sometimes I go. I'm getting many mails from co-learners. They want to participate, but
Yes,
I don't have time. I don't have time in the daytime because I live in a joint family, and
okay,
someone is coming, and there is disturbance. So
okay,
I took this time. I
okay, okay.
decided that I will take the sessions at night, but sometime that co-learner is not comfortable. Our
Yes,
timings are not matching, so I could not take more sessions. But I want to take, but I could
okay.
not.
I think this session is this way is very good for improving English. Even your
Yes,
confidence will be increased.
yes,
So you can
definitely. When we will talk with different people, and we will do daily conversations, so we are kind of practicing English with
yes,
someone who is live in front of us. But
yes,
yes, definitely. But it will take long time. It's
yes.
not like that. If we will speak English for 1 month, 2 months, no, we have to be consistent.
Okay, okay, yes. Now, how to remove hesitation and how to increase our confidence.
Um,
According,
Actually, I am also a learner,
no,
but
it's okay.
according to my experience, how can you remove your hesitation? You can remove your hesitation only by talking with different
Yes,
different people, as we are doing now, right?
yes,
And if I talk about the confidence, when you will learn the things, you will have the knowledge of sentences and small grammar, right?
yes,
Then confidence automatically built in yourself,
yes,
right? If then there will be no pressure in your mind that you are talking or speaking
yes,
wrong English. If you will have the knowledge of sentences, only basic knowledge. I'm not saying that you have to read all the grammar in deep. No, there is no need. I think only speaking and listening is very much important. By listening and by speaking, you can learn this language. I have done this like this. I did only listening in my initial days. When I started, I did listening,
okay.
okay, for
But
first 2 or 3 months. After that,
but
I started speaking.
okay. Actually, when I started, so that times I learned only grammar related to
Okay.
speaking, but I didn't watch any English video. When it comes to listen other videos, so that time I couldn't understand very well. And then I thought I should watch the English video more. And then I started.
Yes, listening helps very much.
Yes.
Listening helps very much. I don't do reading. Some
Okay.
people they do reading, writing, but I do listening and I do speaking only. I don't read. I get bored when I read something.
Yes,
I don't have that
yes,
habit of reading.
yes. I don't even watch because watch I watch a video daily, but I don't read any book and write.
Okay, okay. I think you and me both are same. I also don't read and write. I only listen
Yes,
and speak.
yes,
I'm doing these kind of things.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So, would you like to tell me that what fear have there in your mind while learning English?
While learning English, because when I started, so that times I had fear. So this
Okay.
times I have fear because when I start speaking in front of other people, so then I think this times I am making the wrong, and definitely I am being the criticized by other people. So then
Okay.
I get
Okay.
stuck and I get confused. Fear of making the mistake.
Yeah, but I think we don't worry about the mistakes. I
Yes.
do mistakes. I know that. Now
Yeah,
I am talking with
definitely.
you. I do
Yes.
mistakes.
Yeah, this times we are speaking, we are talking with each other, and definitely I are making the mistake, lots of mistake. So I think a
Yes.
mistake is common thing when you make the lots of mistake, and then you will learn lots of things, according to me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you are right. Okay, I think. Do you like traveling?
Yeah, of course I like traveling, but I don't go anywhere more much. Hmm.
I
Because of
mean to say, did you visit any place recently? Like we go to different places. Did you visit
no,
any place?
no.
Okay.
I
Okay.
didn't go
Okay. Okay.
anywhere. Yeah, because these times I am suffering for some problem, so that's why.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay.
Yes.
So we
So
need
yeah,
something more.
please, ma'am, give you suggest. I think degree is important or non-knowledge. What is the difference between knowledge? I think and degree.
Uh, Degree. I think degree is also important. For example, if you have any degree like B.Ed, without
Yes.
B.Ed degree, you can't be a teacher. You know, if you want to become a teacher, and for that you need a degree of B.Ed, right?
Yes.
So if someone is want to become a CA, so he should have CA degree. Yes, of course, degree is also important, but uh, knowledge is also important. If you have degree but don't have such knowledge, so I think there is no use of that degree,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, actually, degree is important, but knowledge is very important than the degree.
Yes,
If you have lots of degrees, many degrees, but you don't have don't have more much knowledge, so I think it's useless to have got the degree.
yes, yes, you
But
are right.
knowledge is very, because this times I have lots of degree, but I don't
Okay,
have more much knowledge about speaking. This times
okay.
I am learning English, and I am
Actually, it's not about speaking English. If you don't speak English, it doesn't mean that you don't have knowledge. I think when you have to speak in Hindi, you are able to give that knowledge, right? Is it
yes,
right?
yes, yes,
You are
but
not only communicating in English. That's why you are feeling that you don't have knowledge. But it's wrong. English is a language, and if you
yes,
speak
I know
Hindi,
English is
if you can deliver your knowledge in Hindi, then I think you have knowledge. You can't say that you don't have knowledge. You can't say. Okay?
yes. No, actually, I know speaking English, English is a language. But
Yes.
I think even when I start speaking in our native language, even Hindi, so even then I get stuck because of
I can
some
understand. I can understand because
yes,
um, English is not our native language, and we are more comfortable in Hindi or like Pahari. We speak Pahari or Hindi. We are
yes,
more comfortable to express our feelings. But
yes,
by doing continuous practice and by if you have a passion to learn this language, then you can become a fluent speaker,
yes,
right? And you will become comfortable. It may take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, right? So you can
yes,
become fluent and you will be able to deliver your masses of thoughts in English as well.
yes, yes,
And I think in our country, people judge you. People judge if someone speaks good English. They think that this person is very intelligent, and he, right? This thing happens in our country. People judge you by your English. They
yes.
don't judge you by
I
your knowledge.
yes, yeah. I think this is a very wrong thing.
And that's why I have seen. Sorry, my daughter is sitting beside me, and she is
Okay.
disturbing me.
Okay, it's okay, don't worry.
You can see her.
Yeah.
So I was saying that in our and now all people wants to learn this language. I
Yes.
have seen a craze in people now. Nowadays, I have seen on YouTube that a lot of people making these kind of conversation videos. Everyone wants to learn this language, and they have become crazy about this language.
Yes. Like me and you.
Yes, but I don't know. I'm I just started learning this language from last 1 year. I never
Okay.
tried to learn this language. I never tried. After
Okay.
at this age, now I got married, I have kids. Now I realize that I have to learn this language. I don't know
Oh,
why.
okay. Actually, I had this problem. I think this problem because when I went to the college, I went to the school. So then I wanted to learn English.
Okay.
So that I couldn't learn English. After getting married, I had a good opportunity to learn English. So then I decided to learn English.
Yes, definitely. You should not, stop this process. Go ahead with this process. You will definitely become fluent. And I am going to subscribe your channel. But what was it, Rajni? I forgot the name.
Yes, English with Rajni Devi. Rajni Devi.
Okay, okay. I'm going to subscribe. So Rajni, I think it has been 27 minutes have left spent.
Okay.
So I think
Okay.
okay. Tell me. I will also upload this video. So tell me what all the best for your
Okay.
future and
Thank
for
you.
your channel. Okay, it's nice to
Okay.
meet you.
Same to
I
you.
hope we will meet again
Okay.
after some
I
time.
will show. Yeah, I will meet up next time. Definitely.
Okay, thank you. Thank you
Thank you.
so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.